So how do you get all your nutrition on a vegan diet? Whole foods are nutrition. Everything that is from nature was designed perfectly for our bodies. Key things are that you want to be eating a variety. We want to try to get 30 different fruits and vegetables into our diet every single week. So that's like a target of ours. It's not always possible to do that. So actually we also have raw dehydrated superfoods that we supplement with. There's 14 different superfoods just in this one. And it's a really easy way to get a variety into us and our children. It's really important that you're getting a variety, but it's also important the quality of that variety. So you want to make sure that it's whole food, not processed food, because when you're processing, you're losing so much of the nutrition. And raw as much as possible, because when we cook it, we're also killing a lot of the nutrition. So things like nuts, beans, grains, berries, and of course, as organic as possible. This is what nature intended us to live on. So we want to live as whole food, plant-based with as much variety as we can get our hands on. Some staples that I can't live without are Brazil nuts, for instance. With psyllium, that's one of the nutrients that they say that we need to get from meat, but we can in fact get that from Brazil nuts, from lentils, from grains such as barley, amaranth, quinoa. Those are really high nutrient dense. We want to get all the different colors of fruit and vegetables that we can. Our eyes, simply looking at those colors, our eyes are telling our body that we're about to get nutrition. And that's why it's actually so important that we're not having artificial colors and sweeteners, because that tricks our bodies into thinking that it should be absorbing that really deeply into our body, and it's putting poison into our body. So we really have a priority to look and feel our best as vegans, as spokespeople for the movement. So in order to do that, we want to look for as colorful, as organic, as whole food, and unprocessed as possible. We can get it all through nature. So you should never have a problem with getting your proper nutrition on plant-based diet. And if there's anything you're deficient in, take a blood test to see and adjust your diet and learn about what from nature provides those nutrients so that you can rebalance yourself and make sure that you have a healthy gut. So do a lot of research on gut health. That's what I say always, because without proper gut health, we can be eating and all the nutritious food we can, but we may not be getting the benefits of all that nutrition if it's not absorbed properly into our bodies. That's what I have to say about nutrition. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and have a beautiful, nutritious day.